Alrighty, Casey Camera Boy here working on the First Amendment. Not related to these people respect their freedom to record. And behind me is some paramedics, and they've been looking at me weird, so we'll see what happens too back there. Damn, there comes Jimmy. What's going on? What's up?
Yes.
Yeah. How's your day going?
Yeah, how can I help you?
Yeah. You can help me.
For what?
You have $100?
No.
What do you mean? I thought you wanted to help me. Hey, he don't want to help me.
Yeah. How can I help you?
Have $100?
No. That's just serious.
That's why I'm serious too. You have $100.
No.
Real quick though.
No.
You're rude, man.
No, I'm not rude.
You don't want to let me borrow $100, but you say you want to help me.
So what can I do for you?
Oh, nothing. You can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have your ID just real quick, so I can get your name and just put it on the report. You know that I talked to so on and so on.
No, I need to back to work.
Okay, perfect.
Drug enforcement?
DA. That's me too.
That type of question I can't answer.
You have your ID real quick, just to make sure who I'm talking to.
Do it now. Show it now.
Just real quick. You acting
Show
suspicious?
it now. Hurry up.
Acting suspicious? Do it now.
How you guys doing?
Damn.
You guys need help with anything?
Damn. That's it. Jimmy Bob. He's their helpful there.
Did you guys need help with anything?
You need?
What?
We just noticed you guys were filming over here, so we just wanted to see if you needed any questions answered or anything. We noticed some people were filming over here. We're standing across the street, so I want to come out and see if you guys need anything.
Across the street from where though?
Right over by the palm tree, but into the business there.
Oh, the red building?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're filming that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Is it
got
that
a lot
one?
of shots of that one. That was
Should we
pretty
check
nice.
his name if it's on the list?
Yeah, I checked it once and I checked it twice.
Yep. Check him out. Gonna check the list real quick. You mind just facing the bush, just in case.
Did you guys have any questions about anything I
Just
can
for
help
safety.
answer?
No, yeah. We're just checking right now.
I'm checking right now. Hold on.
We're checking the database. You know, in this day and age, we need to know who we talk to.
Yeah, what database are you guys checking?
That's undisclosed. Is it undisclosed?
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't tell him anything else.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name, just real quick?
Why do you need my name?
In this day and age, we need to put it on the report. You know, we talk to so on and so on.
What report?
Well, we can't give you too much information, but you did come and start asking us questions, so
Yeah, I was just off the preface of people standing over here videotaping the business, that's all.
right. So
Yeah.
if we were clearly across the street, why would you?
Oh no, I'm just inquiring if you have any questions. I'm not confronting you about
Oh,
anything.
thank you.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Just
Cool.
asking questions.
Oh, he's asking questions.
Any
Oh,
other
thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No, just if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer those.
Oh, I didn't have questions. Did you have questions?
Should we order something to eat?
If you want, are you the guy that's gonna get our lunch today?
Are you the one on the record?
Nope, not gonna get your lunch today.
No, why not?
Yeah, I already ordered lunch.
I don't think
Well, how about
he got
dinner
the
then?
memo. We'll take
What
dinner.
time is dinner?
You know, I
Dinner's
can
It's
ask
on.
my wife if we can welcome some people into the home and have you guys over
Oh
for
wow,
dinner.
all the
yeah.
way home, huh?
Yeah.
Hey.
How long are you guys gonna be out here for?
Probably about 7 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if I get the green light from the missus, I'll definitely come out and give you an invitation.
Wow,
I'm not
look at
sure what
that.
she's making today,
Just
but
inviting total strangers into your home, huh?
well, you seem like nice people, so I wouldn't call you strangers.
Reverse psychology, okay.
Yeah.
He's trying to get us.
All of a sudden.
Yeah.
All right.
So
All
what's your
right.
name, real quick? I didn't got it.
I'd rather not divulge that information, but
Well, we're gonna go have dinner later. How are we gonna say thank you to your wife if we don't know your name?
well, once you come into my home, I'll definitely have the
What's her
conversation
name,
about who I
Mrs.
am.
What?
Oh my God.
So
Mrs.
if you don't have any other questions,
Mrs. What? I
I'll
want to pay the
continue
credit.
on. But
Want to pay the credit. to
Yeah,
you.
we
thank you
just-
so much for your time. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
So ambulances, that's it, right? Damn, it's scary, bro. That
There's
scared
no-
me.
We don't have a contract for that place, though.
No, we don't have a contract for that place, so we can go. Oh yeah, they're itching. Well, we came back to the ambulance place. Let's see what happens.
Why are you filming?
What?
Why are you filming?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm filming people.
Why?
Who are you, bro?
Why are you filming me?
Who are you for you to scream at me like that, man? Chill. What happened?
Why are you filming me?
Oh yeah, I'm filming you.
Why?
What do you mean why? Because I have a camera? There's a reason behind it.
Why are you filming random people walking by, stranger?
You're a stranger to me as well, sir.
You're filming a stranger. Is this not weird to you?
Yeah, you don't know. I was filming I was taking a panel shot. That's what I was moving it slowly.
As I'm walking by you.
Yeah, I'm taking a panel shot so I can cover the whole area.
You're taking a panel shot of me as I'm walking by you.
Well, if you're in it, that's not my problem.
Then why do you just holler at me? What's going on here?
What is going on?
What are you trying to do here, man?
Nothing. Taking some shots. What are you trying to do? Welcome, Shame. Can't see in your pocket or Shame. Is that your co-worker right there? Very aggressive. I wouldn't kick it with him. Probably get me fired or something. Damn. Yeah, I wouldn't kick it with him. Get me fired or something, you know? Chales. Anyways, Casey Camera Boy. I guess. Never butt hurt. Jeez.
Y'all doing?
Chilling.
Chilling. What's that? I'm just checking out what you guys are. You tell me first.
Tell us what you're up to. Tell us now. Hurry up.
What are you up to?
What are you up to? I asked you first.
No, you didn't. I asked you guys first.
No, you said what are you up to. I'm asking what you're doing.
Ah, okay. Sounds good. Thanks, gentlemen.
Tell us now.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Stay
Tell us
safe.
what you're doing. Hurry up.
Is that why we had other people on here asking about you guys?
What? Who asked about? What are you talking about? Can you like?
Well, I'm asking you guys.
Tell
I mean,
us now.
are you filming something going on here?
It's none of your business. Why are you
You're on
worried
the edge
about
of
what we're
the
doing?
property.
Huh?
I said you're on the edge of the property. I mean, on a public. But
It's kind of funny that you're just asking what we're doing, but when I asked you what you were doing, you didn't know.
I'm walking back and forth. I am working. What are you guys up to?
Working.
Working for,
That's none of your business, is it?
well, I don't know. Depends on if you're being a little obfuscating or not.
We're being what?
Obfuscating or not. If
Obfuscating?
you're hiding what you're doing.
Are we? Hiding in plain
okay,
sight?
forget it.
Why would he hide something?
Are we hiding in plain sight or what?
Cooch it there, man.
I guess we'll,
Okay, bye.